Hello friend, this time I'm going to show you how you can add a user without home directory in any Linux machine. So here I am using Red Hat Linux. Inside Red Hat Linux machine, I am going to create a user, any user without home directory. So by default, you can see here we have Satish user, John user, Vijay, Ukraine, Hacker, Network, Tiwary, Rahul, Vishnu user. And what is their home directory? You can see /home /Rahul for Rahul, /home /Tiwary for Tiwary user. Similarly, if I want to create a home directory, like if you want to check Satish home directory, you can simply run ls-l, okay, and home/Satish. Okay, so /home/Satish. If you type this one, what you see? You see total files inside here is 0, but the user path is there. Okay, the path is correct. But I don't want this path. I want to create a user without home directory. How you can do that? Simply run user add and then run -m, and then you can give the name of the user. Suppose in case I am giving Diksha. So what will happen? This command will create a user named Diksha without home directory. Because if you type now /home/Diksha here, you see it's saying no such file or directory. But if you see the cat etc pywd file, you can see in front of Diksha there is a /home/Diksha directory. It's showing here, it's visual here, but it is not actually present there. It means the directory has not been created. Okay, so in this way you can add a user in Linux without home directory. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand.